Have you ever had a problem getting out of your chair? Have you ever felt low? Have you ever had that sinking feeling? Well, I've got the cure. It's called a bad piston, and it's in your chair. That's right, there's a piston in your chair. And that means that there's a problem. And today, we're going to fix that problem because that's what I do. Stay tuned. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap out the pistons. I'm going to switch over to the GoPro camera because this is going to be an action shot. Here's my comfy office chair that I use when I'm at the computer. And here's a cheap one that I bought a long time ago online that I don't use because my butt don't fit in it. Alright, this is what I've just taken off the underneath bottom part of this chair. These hold the wheels onto the shaft, and I'm going to now take the wheels off. Let's see how much trouble these can be. Yeah, there, those aren't bad at all. And well, can't take that off yet, I guess. So I have to grab a hold of this sucker and twist it a little bit. No. Holy crap. Alright, let's no, I'm not worried about damaging this one because it's already broke. There. Take that off. Alright. Now, this piece should come right out. This just kind of fits in this seat. And this should just come right out. And of course it's kind of in the middle. Okay. Wow. That is stuck on there. When I put this chair together, years ago, it didn't look like it was going to be hard to take back apart, but Come off of there. And no, taking it off the freaking seat isn't going to make any difference. This thing was just placed in there. It shouldn't come off that hard. There's nothing that locks it in. That ain't coming off. And there's no way to push down from the top. I know what to do. So, I decided that is no more. So we're going to give this one a shot. This is the piston. This is the only thing that I needed, and I had to buy a $75 chair to get, which is just as good because I couldn't get the old piston out of the chair. So this is it. It's just a piston. They call it a gas lift, but there it is. So now we build a new chair. So, that's how you change a piston in a chair.